Okay, polygons. Let's begin with polygon. You have to take a lot of notes, okay? सबको बहुत सारी notes लेनी पड़ेगी. So be ready for that. So first understand what is a curve. Curve, C-U-R-V-E, curve. A figure traced out on a plane surface with the help of sharp pencil without lifting it is called a curve. मतलब तुम अगर एक प्लेन पेपर पे ऐसा कुछ भी एक फिगर बना दोगे, इसको हम लोग कर्व बोल सकते हैं. दिस इज अ कर्व एंड द कर्व विच आई हैव जस्ट मेड इज अ ओपन कर्व. ये एक ओपन कर्व है. Curves are of two types basically, open curve and closed curve. If I draw something like this, it's a closed curve. If I draw something like this is an open curve. ठीक है. कर्व समझ में आया क्या होता है? इसमें समझना क्या है? इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड थिंग. Closed curve, a curve that begins and ends at the same point, is called a closed curve. Each of the figure given below is a closed curve. Can you see all the closed curves? अच्छा, कर्व्स ऐसा नहीं होता कि सिर्फ कर्व लाइन से बने होते हैं. कर्व्स आर एनीथिंग विच कैन बी drawn with the help of a pencil without lifting it. So is this a curve? Just tell me this. Is this a curve? डॉटेड लाइन कभी कर्व थोड़ी होती है क्योंकि मैं पेंसिल को लिफ्ट कर रहा हूं ना बार बार. दिस इज नॉट अ कर्व. कर्व इज समथिंग विच इज, yeah, this can be a curve, this is a curve, but what we are interested in is more of a closed curve. Closed curve से हमें एक फिगर मिलने वाली है जिसके ऊपर हम लोग और स्टडी करने वाले हैं. ठीक है. So all these are closed curves. They can be either you can say of the form of they can be either formed with the help of straight lines or curved lines. Still they will be known as closed curves. Okay, simple closed curve, a closed curve which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. एक closed curve जो अपने आप को intersect नहीं करता. Can you tell me out of all these three which are the simple closed curves?
Both fifth and sixth.
This is not simple, it is intersecting over here. Fifth.
Sir, one and one.
Okay, number one is you can say a simple closed curve. Even two is simple closed curve.
Two. Yeah.
And three is also a simple closed curve. So simple closed curves are the closed curves which do not intersect itself. So these three are simple closed curves. Simple closed curves which do not intersect each other. In fact, we are only interested in these kind of closed curves. Okay, simple closed curves. इसमें भी एक type है, remember, polygons. A simple closed curve made up of only straight lines, line segments or straight lines. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. तो वी आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन पॉलीगॉन. हमारे चैप्टर का नाम ही पॉलीगॉन है या टॉपिक का नाम पॉलीगॉन है. नाउ आई हैव जस्ट ड्रॉन समथिंग ओवर हियर. कैन यू टेल मी, कैन एनीवन टेल मी out of these three simple closed curve, first, second and third, which are the polygons? Polygons कौन से?
Second and third.
Very good. Second one and the third one. Why are they polygons?
Sir, because they are made up of line segments.
Yes, they are made up of straight line segments. तो जो straight line से बने हुए simple closed curves होते हैं, इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Polygons. Polygons. Polygon. ठीक है, इतना समझ में आया? अच्छा. पॉलीगॉन में जो स्ट्रेट लाइन होती है उसको बोलते हैं साइड ऑफ द पॉलीगॉन. कैन एनीवन टेल मी इन अ पॉलीगॉन how many minimum number of sides are required to form a polygon?
The three.
Very good. Why did you say three? Like any reason behind it?
The triangle.
Yeah, example. But why is triangle a polygon with least number of sides? Can there be a polygon which has sides less than 3?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because two line segments have like the shape. Sir, because it is not a simple closed. It will not become a simple closed curve.
It will not become a closed curve. It will become an open curve. है ना?
Yes.
So what we are looking for is closed curve. ठीक है? Which is simple and which is made up of straight lines. That is polygon. We are looking for this. We are looking for a closed curve which is simple and made up of straight lines. That means polygon. Okay. So to fulfill all these three you can say requirements, अगर मैंने 2 लाइन बनाया तो क्लोज कैसे करूंगा मैं कर्व को? तो मिनिमम हाउ मेनी लाइन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू क्लोज दिस कर्व? 3. Minimum lines required for closing this curve is 3. So a polygon, that is maybe you can say a simple closed curve made up of straight lines, has minimum 3 sides. Minimum number of sides. Minimum number of sides in a polygon is equal to 3. तो सबसे छोटा या सबसे कम नंबर वाली साइड वाला पॉलीगॉन कौन सा है? ट्राइंगल. ये ट्राइंगल इज द फर्स्ट पॉलीगॉन. ट्राइंगल. सेकेंड पॉलीगॉन है क्वाड्रिलैटरल, जो हमारे मेन चैप्टर का नाम है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलैटरल्स, द मेन चैप्टर. देन कम्स पेंटागन, देन हेक्सागन, देन हेप्टागन, देन ऑक्टागन, देन नोनागॉन, देन डेकागॉन. So what are all these? Triangle has 3 sides, quadrilateral has 4 sides, pentagon has 5 sides, hexagon has 6, heptagon has 7, octagon has 8, nonagon has 9, and decagon has 10 sides. So is 10 the maximum number of sides present in a polygon? No. A polygon can have how many sides? Infinite sides. It can have as many sides as possible. ठीक है? बट सबसे छोटे या सबसे कम नंबर वाली साइड वाला पॉलीगॉन कौन सा होता है? ट्राइंगल. रिमेंबर दैट. यस, ट्राइंगल. ठीक है? सो अभी तुम्हें समझ में आ गया पॉलीगॉन क्या है एंड विच डायरेक्शन वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स. पॉलीगॉन इज अ सिंपल क्लोज्ड कर्व मेड अप ऑफ ओनली स्ट्रेट लाइन्स. ठीक है? अच्छा, देर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलीगॉन्स. अब ये भी देखो, ये भी एक यूनिक है. देर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलीगॉन्स, कॉनकेव पॉलीगॉन एंड कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन. इन कॉनकेव पॉलीगॉन at least one angle is more than 180 degree. What do you call an angle which is more than 180 degree? Do you know a name for an angle which is more than 180 degree? What is the name of this angle? Yes, Shubh. Shubh. What is the name of an angle which is more than 180 degree? What is it known as? Very good, Shubh. Very nice, yaar. Reflex angle. It is known as reflex angle. You know there are how many types of angles? एक होता है acute angle. Acute angle से भी एक छोटा एंगल होता है zero angle.
लाइन एक छोटी सी लाइन.
Yes, एक straight line है तो वो zero angle. ठीक है? Zero angle के बाद आता है acute angle. Acute angle के बाद आता है right angle. Right angle, exact 90 degree. Then आता है obtuse angle. That is more than 90, less than 180. उसके बाद आता है straight angle. You know what is straight angle? It's a straight line. A straight line, yes, exactly. It makes an angle of exactly 180 degree. Then आता है reflex angle. Reflex angle is more than 180. Remember, suppose there are two lines like this, the angle made on the outside of these two lines is more than 180 and it is known as reflex angle. And then comes the complete angle. Complete matlab 360 degree. Zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. These are all the angles from 0 to 360 degree. ठीक है? Concave polygon has at least one angle which is more than 180 degree, and that's why it looks very funny. The concave polygon, and it is not the regular or general type of polygon which we are going to study in this chapter. हम लोग इस चैप्टर में concave polygon नहीं पढ़ने वाले हैं. Then comes convex polygon. Convex polygon. Convex polygon is a polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree. In which each angle is less than 180 degree. Means each angle can be acute or obtuse, but it should be less than 180. Then it will be known as convex polygon. Okay, this is a convex polygon. We are only going to study convex polygon in this chapter. When they say polygon, it will by default mean a convex polygon only. We are not going to study concave, remember. Okay, after that there is one more kind of polygon which is known as a regular polygon. What do you mean by regular polygon? A regular polygon has all sides and all angles equal to each other. सारे sides एक दूसरे से equal होंगे और सारे angles भी एक दूसरे से equal होंगे. That is known as a regular polygon. Okay, now remember this thing. Remember this thing. I told you a polygon with minimum number of sides. If the number of sides are 3, the polygon is named as triangle. N is number of sides. Okay, a polygon has 4 sides, it will be known as a quadrilateral. Can you please name a triangle which has 3 sides and all the 3 sides and all the 3 angles are equal to each other? Very good. It is a regular polygon. It is a regular triangle or equilateral triangle. This over here you see is equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle में सारे sides equal हैं. A, B, C. सारे sides equal हैं और सारे angles भी equal है. You see this angle is equal to this angle, angle A, angle B, angle C, तीनों angle equal है. Can anyone tell me सारे angles का measure कितना है? How much is the measure of all angles? Each angle. No, individual.
60, 60, 60.
Shubh, do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, each angle is equal to 60 degree. 60, 60, 60. So equilateral triangle has all sides equal to each other and all angles equal to 60 degree. Okay. Then there is a quadrilateral which has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. Looks like this. Can you please name it? It's a regular quadrilateral, regular polygon. Can you please name it? All sides equal, all angles equal. What kind of polygon is this? It is a square. It is a square. Okay. What is the measure of each angle of a square? 90 degree, a right angle. Yes, all sides are equal, all angles are equal to 90 degree, and that is known as a square, a regular polygon, a regular quadrilateral in fact. Okay, so regular polygon मतलब all sides equal, all angles are equal. इसके बाद तुम पूछोगे सर रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन में 5 साइड्स वाले कोई फिगर नहीं होती है? Definitely there is a figure with 5 sides. I'm sorry, made it ulta. I'll make it for you. So it looks like this, a 5-sided regular polygon. Okay, Can anyone please name it for me?
Pentagon.
A regular pentagon. All 5 sides equal to each other and all 5 angles equal to each other. Regular pentagon. इसका कोई स्पेशल नाम नहीं है, इसको ऐसे इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल या स्क्वायर इसको कुछ नहीं बोलते, इसको सिर्फ बोलते हैं रेगुलर पेंटागन. Okay, so that's a regular pentagon. Next is irregular polygon. Irregular means, of course, that the sides and the angles will not be equal to each other. There might be 2 pairs of equal sides, there might be more pairs of equal sides, but at least one of the side and angle will be unequal. So जो polygon regular नहीं होते हैं उनमें साइड्स या एंगल्स में इक्वालिटी नहीं होती, ठीक है. एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ द साइड और एंगल विल बी अनइक्वल, दैट इज इरेगुलर पॉलीगॉन. एंड फाइनली सम फॉर्मूले फॉर यू. आई विल just mention each and every formula. You have to note it down, write it down, because we are going to apply these formula in each of the question. The first formula is for a regular polygon of n sides, we have each exterior angle equal to 360 degree divided by n. So let me show you what is an exterior angle. What do you mean by an exterior angle? Let me show you.
Sir, may I say?
I will ask you with the figure. It's better to explain this way. Suppose this is my quadrilateral, which is a polygon whose name is A, B, C, D. Can you tell me how do I find where is the exterior angle? How do I find an exterior angle in this figure? Tell me.
So the exterior angle is the angle which is outside.
Yeah, but where is it? Tell me, where is it? Is it
on the edge?
Is it this? Is it this?
Yes, sir.
No, it is not. No, it is not.
No, sir. It's like if you pull a line from C, this line segment from if the line is CE, then the point on C to the other point. Yeah,
So what I have to do for obtaining an exterior angle, I have to extend or produce a line segment. If I produce a line segment, I will get an angle over here. Do you see that angle? This angle is known as exterior angle. See, here also I will produce a line and I will get an exterior angle. Here also I will produce a line. कोई भी एक side को extend करो, I will get exterior angle. Here also I will get an exterior angle. You see how many exterior angles are there in this quadrilateral? How many exterior angles are there? Yes. How many exterior angles do you see in this figure which I've just made? 4. तो याद रखो.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sorry. Except the four ones like below the D can be marked as an exterior angle.
We can. We can. I will show you that. First, you note this point down. In any polygon, number of sides is equal to number of angles is equal to number of exterior angles. Number of sides, number of angles, and number of exterior angles are equal. If it has 4 sides, a polygon, then the interior angles, these angles are interior, okay, and exterior angles will always be 4. If it has 4 sides, there will be 4 interior angles, 4 exterior angles. So you just saw how the exterior angles are formed, okay. There is one more way of forming exterior angles. I will show you. Okay, the next way of forming exterior angle, suppose A, B, C, D. Okay, I can extend this one over here, this one down, and this one over here up. So this way also exterior angles can be formed. Okay, so what you do is you produce the sides of a polygon in either clockwise manner or anti-clockwise manner. या तो clockwise produce करो सारी sides को, या सारी sides को anti-clockwise produce करो. You will get all the exterior angles. But generally the questions are not asked with respect to all the exterior angles. They are asked with respect to one exterior angle. ठीक है? And that too about regular polygon. Remember, for a regular polygon, one exterior angle is 360 degree divided by n. ठीक है? अच्छा, इससे पहले और एक पॉइंट लिख लो मेरा. One more point I just want to give you is, for any polygon, for any polygon, regular or irregular, sum of all exterior angles is always 360 degree. For any polygon, the sum of all exterior angle is always 360 degrees, and sum of all interior angles is equal to 2n minus 4 times 90 degree, where n is the number of sides. Please note these two formulae down. तो ऊपर मैंने दो चीज़ें तुम्हें लिखवाई है. एक तो किसी भी पॉलीगॉन में जितनी साइड्स होगी उतने इंटीरियर एंगल्स होंगे और उतने एक्सटीरियर एंगल होंगे. फिर से किसी भी पॉलीगॉन में द सम ऑफ ऑल एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स इज ऑलवेज 360 डिग्री. अगेन, in any polygon the sum of all interior angles is always 2n minus 4 times 90, where n is the number of sides. So I would just like to check this, whether this formula is correct or not. Consider this polygon. Can you tell me how many sides does it have?
50.
Okay, so n is equal to 3. Okay, so can you tell me what is the sum of all interior angles, इसके सारे इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम कितना होगा? So you can find it by using the formula 2n minus 4 times 90, which is 2 times 3 minus 4 times 90, which is 6 minus 4 times 90, which is 2 times 90, which is 180 degree. How many of you knew that sum of all interior angles of triangle is 180 degree?
Me.
And we checked it with the help of this formula 2n minus 4 times 90. The sum of all interior angles of any polygon with n sides is 2n minus 4 times 90. Acha, my next question is, can you please find out the sum of all interior angles if a polygon has 4 sides? अगर n की वैल्यू 4 है तो सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स कितना होगा? कैन यू प्लीज फाइंड आउट यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला? ये फॉर्मूला में n की वैल्यू डालो 4 और निकालो कितने सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स कितना आएगा. प्लीज फाइंड आउट. जैसे मैंने n इज इक्वल टू 3 के साथ.
360.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. 360. कैन एनीवन एल्स कंफर्म इट? क्या ये सही है?
Yes, sir, it's right.
It's correct, right?
Yes.
So if a quadrilateral has 4 sides, ठीक है, अगर मैं n की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 4 ले लेता हूँ तो सम ऑफ इट्स इंटीरियर एंगल्स कितना होगा? 2n minus 4 times 90, which is 2 times 4 minus 4 times 90, which is 8 minus 4 times 90, which is 4 times 90, which is 360. और हमें पता है कि क्वाड्रिलैटरल के चारों एंगल का जो सम है, इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम, इट इज ऑलवेज 360. ठीक है. वन मोर प्रॉपर्टी आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. I will extend side AB up to E. Can you tell me what is angle CBE? Not the measure. What is the name of angle CBE? What is this
Exterior
angle?
angle.
Very good. It is known as exterior angle. Can anyone tell me what is angle CBE plus angle ABC? CBE.
180 degree.
Why?
Sir, because they form a straight angle.
So the sum of an exterior and an interior angle at the vertex is always 180 degree. ये भी बहुत important है. यहाँ पे एक property लिख लो. Sum of an exterior angle and an interior angle at any vertex, किसी भी वर्टेक्स, वर्टेक्स मतलब ये जो पॉइंट होता है ना उसको वर्टेक्स बोलते हैं. एट एनी वर्टेक्स फॉर एनी पॉलीगॉन, एनी काइंड ऑफ पॉलीगॉन, is always 180 degree. Sum of an exterior angle and an interior angle at any vertex for any kind of polygon is always 180 degree. ठीक है. These all properties will help you to solve the questions. Remember that. These are not just random properties. Yes, Shubh, you want to ask something? Sorry, can you repeat loudly?
So in my textbook there is only questions not coordinates.
You don't have polygons or anything like that? You don't have NCERT textbook? Okay, okay. You just have construction of polygons.
Yes.
Okay, you send me the index page of your textbook. I will check it once, okay? And you study this because this is going to be useful in higher classes to you. Okay, तो एक बार देख लो, पढ़ने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तुम्हें, आज नहीं तो कल ये सब काम आने वाला है. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव अहेड. सो मैंने क्या क्या बताया तुम्हें अभी तक? किसी भी पॉलीगॉन में नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, नंबर ऑफ इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. सम ऑफ ऑल एक्सटीरियर एंगल 360 होते हैं. सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स 2n - 4 टाइम्स 90 होते हैं. एंड सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंड इंटीरियर एंगल एट एनी वर्टेक्स 180 होता है. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब यहाँ से ये वाले फॉर्मूले तुम्हें एप्लीकेबल हो जाएंगे. ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल is equal to 360 by n for a regular polygon. Then each interior angle is 180 minus each exterior angle. So ये वाला अभी हमने एक प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ा for any polygon. In a convex polygon of n sides, we have sum of all exterior angles is equal to 4 right angles. 4 right angles का मतलब क्या होता है? 360 डिग्री, विच वी हैव जस्ट रिटन डाउन. पहले लिख लिया था हमने. सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 2n - 4 राइट एंगल्स. दिस ऑल्सो वी हैड ऑलरेडी रिटन इट डाउन. एंड द लास्ट फॉर्मूला विच इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, द नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल्स इन अ पॉलीगॉन ऑफ n साइड्स is n bracket n - 3 by 2. Now I would like to ask you, what is a diagonal? And in what kind of polygon you can draw a diagonal? This is a triangle. This is a quadrilateral. Then I will draw a pentagon. Okay, and finally I am going to draw a hexagon. Okay, I am going to name the triangle as ABC, the quadrilateral as ABCD, the pentagon as ABCDE, the hexagon has ABCDEF. Okay, can you tell me how many diagonals are there in the triangle? Number of diagonals. What are diagonals?
Sir, 3. No, 2.
No. The diagonals are 0 here. There are no diagonals. Here in quadrilateral the diagonals are 2. I'll tell you why. Diagonal is a line joining the opposite vertices, like this. Straight line joining the opposite vertices. My lines are not straight, but you understand what is a diagonal. Diagonal is a straight line joining the opposite vertices. In pentagon, the diagonals are the total number of diagonals will be 5 - 3 2 times 5 10 by 2. 5 diagonals will be there. So 1 2 3 4 and one more will be there, 5. In hexagon the diagonals will be 3 times 3, 9 diagonals will be there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, and the last one 9. Do you see that? यहाँ पे किसको ज्वाइन करूँ? A को B से, B को C से, C को A से, तो ऑलरेडी ज्वाइंड है सब कुछ. So the number of diagonals in triangle is 0. The number of diagonals in quadrilateral is 2. The number of diagonals in pentagon is 5, and the number of diagonals in hexagon is 9. Diagonals are the line joined by the opposite vertices. Opposite vertices को join करने से diagonal मिलता है. So the number of diagonals in a polygon of n sides is n bracket n minus 3 by 2. ये इसका short formula है. Remember, this is the short formula for finding the number of diagonals. Suppose if I take hexagon, hexagon में number of sides is 6. So diagonals कितने होंगे? 6 bracket 6 minus 3 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 into 3 will be 9, and we got 9 diagonals. Pentagon में 5 diagonals, quadrilateral में 2 diagonals, and triangle में 0 because 3 bracket 3 minus 3 by 2. 3 minus 3 0. 0 into anything is 0. So triangle has 0 diagonals. Okay, so that is the final formula, which is very important. ठीक है? Any doubt, anyone, in any type of polygon, or what is a closed curve, or what is open curve, what are the types, angles, anything, any formula में कोई doubt है किसी को? Okay, सबने note तो कर ही लिया होगा अभी तक सब कुछ. So I think we are ready to start with the numericals now. Let's start with the numericals. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 8 sides, 9 sides and 12 sides. What do you mean by regular polygon? Regular polygon का मतलब क्या होता है? All sides are equal and all angles are equal. Correct. So for regular polygon we know the formula for exterior angle. ठीक है? Exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. Okay? So 360 divided by how many sides do we have? 8. Can you divide this? 4 90s are, 4 2s are, and 2 45s are. So what is the measure of each exterior angle? 45 degree. See, the formula based है ये. Can you do the second one and the third one please for me with the same formula? See, you don't have to draw any polygon or anything. सीधा इसको solve करना है. Come on. Yes. Anyone for the second answer?
Sunny.
Yes. Tell me the second answer, please.
360 by n is equals to 360 degree by 9, which is equals to 40 degree.
So exterior angle with 9 sides, regular polygon having 9 sides is equal to 40 degree. And what about the last one? 12 sides?
30 degree.
30 degree. Absolutely correct. This is very easy, simple, formula based question. Exterior angle is 360 divided by n. Let's go to the next question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon, each of whose exterior angle is 25 degree? Okay, first of all, they are asking, is it possible? We don't know whether it is possible. We'll come to know. Second, they are telling that it is a regular polygon. And third thing, they are telling that the exterior angle is 25 degree. So, there is only one thing which is easy. We can apply the formula. Okay, let's apply the formula. So the formula is exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n. So exterior angle is 25 is equal to 360 by n. So n is equal to 360 upon 25. Let us simplify this. 5 5s are 572s are, and then simplify this further. 14.4. 72 divided by 5 is 14.4. So here number of sides is equal to 14.4, which is not a whole number. किसी भी पॉलीगॉन में नंबर ऑफ साइड्स कभी फ्रैक्शन में हो सकती है क्या? इज इट पॉसिबल टू हैव नंबर ऑफ साइड्स इन फ्रैक्शंस? नो, एंड दैट्स व्हाई it is not possible. It is not possible to have a polygon with each interior angle equal to 25 degrees Celsius. डिग्री सेल्सियस बोल रहा हूँ मैं, डिग्रीज, आई एम सॉरी, टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है.
सर आज कोई टेस्ट है?
टेस्ट नहीं, आज नहीं रखा है मैंने, बट आई विल कीप इट ऑन मंडे. आई विल कीप इट ऑन मंडे. मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स. Okay, next question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon each of whose interior angle is 45 degree? Oh, they are now asking about interior angle. Okay, now see. First of all, interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. I'm sorry, 180 degree. I'm sorry for that. Interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So interior angle is 45 degree. Exterior angle I don't know. Their sum is 180. So exterior angle will become 180 minus 45 degree. Can you please subtract this? How much you will get? 135. Are you sure?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so we got the exterior angle. Now it is a regular polygon. So we have a formula for exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. So 135 is equal to 360 by n. So n is equal to 360 by 135. Okay, can it be cut with any number? It can be cut with 5, right? 572s are and 545s are. Then 9 8s are and 9 5s are. So it comes 8 by 5, okay, which is 1.6. So therefore it is not possible to have a regular polygon each of whose interior angle is 45 degree. It is not possible because the number of sides comes to 1.6, which is not a whole number. It's a fraction. That's why it is not possible. Okay, come on. Next question. Okay, I will wait a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Hey, there is some mistake. मैंने यहाँ पे 8/5 किया है and they got 2/3. 8/3 आता है I think. 9 5s are 9 8s are रे ऐसा कैसा? There is some mistake. I have done some mistake, but anyhow the n is 2/3, which is not a whole number. That's why it's not possible. Okay, let's go to the next question. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular pentagon, hexagon, octagon and polygon of 12 sides. Let's first do the regular pentagon. पहले तो what do you mean by regular pentagon? A polygon with number of sides is equal to 5. 5 sides, right? Number of sides is equal to 5. And it is a regular pentagon, means all the sides and all the angles are equal. ठीक है, तो एक यहाँ पे एक फॉर्मूला है, each interior angle is equal to sum of all interior angles divided by n. जितने इंटीरियर एंगल है उनका सम ले लो एंड डिवाइड बाय n कर दो. n इज द नंबर ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स. So sum of all interior angle is 2n minus 4 times 90. The whole divided by n की value है 5. So substitute the value of n as 5 in the numerator also. So you will get 2 5s are 10 minus 4 times 90 divided by 5. 5 18s are 90. 18 5s are 90. And 10 minus 4 is 6 times 18, which is 108 degrees. So regular pentagon अगर होगा, regular pentagon looks like this. उसके सारे इंटीरियर एंगल्स जो होते हैं वो इक्वल होते हैं एंड दे आर इक्वल टू व्हाट? दे आर इक्वल टू 108, ऑल ऑफ देम. Don't draw this. This is just for your idea. This is how regular pentagon looks like. You have to do the second one, hexagon, and the fourth one. That is enough, I think. Come on, please try this. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular hexagon and regular octagon. Yes, anyone got the measure of each interior angle of regular hexagon? You need my help, let me know, I can help you. Okay, regular hexagon means n is equal to 6. So interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 times 90 divided by n. Each interior angle. So I will just substitute n is equal to 6 in this formula. So in the place of n I will put 6. Okay, this will cut. So 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 4 is 8 times 15, which is 120 degrees. So the answer is 120. किसी और को आया ये आंसर? Anyone else getting this answer?
Sir, I got.
Good, very nice. Now
Sir,
please
मैं washroom चला गया.
find when each interior angle when n is equal to 12. Let's see who gets the correct answer. Come on. The next question is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. Regular. Okay, I'll give you a hint. In the previous question, what did you see? The number of sides were 5, interior angle was 108. Number of sides were 6, interior angle was 120. Number of sides were 12, interior angle was 150. Matlab, as the number of sides increased, the value of interior angle also increased. So we have to have a minimum interior angle. When will a polygon have minimum interior angle? Anyone? अगर मैं साइड्स को कम से कम रखूं तो इंटीरियर एंगल भी छोटा होगा ना. So what is the minimum number of sides in a regular polygon? 1. एक साइड से, सॉरी,
5.
what about 4?
Sir, square.
4 साइड वाला रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन नहीं होता है. 3 साइड वाला रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन नहीं होता है.
होता है sir.
2 साइड वाला रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन होता है.
नहीं sir.
नहीं होता है. 2 साइड वाला नहीं होता है. रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन इज हैविंग मिनिमम 3 साइड्स. So take the value of n as 3 and find the measure of interior angle. Yes, Shubh, what you want to say?
360 degree.
Very good. Very smart. 60 degree. You know how? Because a regular polygon with 3 sides is a triangle, and which is a special type of triangle, equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, each side is equal, each angle is equal to 60 degree, and that's why the minimum interior angle possible for regular polygon is 60 degree. If you want to calculate this, what you do is you use the formula 2n minus 4 times 90 divide by n, and you put the value of n as 3. n की जगह 3 डाल दो and you see you will get 60 degree as the answer. यहाँ पे कुछ कैलकुलेशन नहीं किया है, सीधा 60 डिग्री बोल दिया है. So they have also used the logic for this. Okay, can anyone tell me this? What is the maximum exterior angle possible for regular polygon?
Sir, 120 degree.
Sorry?
120 degree.
How? रीजन क्या है इसके पीछे? मुझे एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए, आंसर नहीं. Explain it to me. How will you explain it to me?
We got 150. How is it possible?
Sorry?
अभी हमें 150 आया. How is it possible?
नहीं, एक्सटीरियर. वो 150 आया था, वो इंटीरियर था. They are asking what is the maximum exterior angle possible for regular polygon?
Sir, 179.
No.
क्योंकि इंटीरियर एंगल और एक्सटीरियर एंगल 180 बनाते हैं ना.
लेकिन मुझे ये बताओ कि रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन में मिनिमम छोटे से छोटा इंटीरियर एंगल कितना आया? अभी ढूंढा इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में. हाउ मच वाज दैट? 60 डिग्री. दैट इज द मिनिमम इंटीरियर एंगल. तो उसका रिस्पेक्टिव एक्सटीरियर एंगल कितना होगा? 180 माइनस 60 कितना होगा?
120.
Yeah, exactly. So if your interior angle is minimum, your exterior angle, the respective exterior angle will be maximum. That is 180 minus 60, which is 120 degree. अभी लॉजिक समझ में आया तुम्हें इसके पीछे का? So see how they have written. As the number of sides in a regular polygon decreases, each of its exterior angle increases. So the maximum value of exterior angle is in the case of equilateral triangle because it has the minimum number of sides, which is 120 degree. ठीक है, जितनी कम साइड्स होगी ना उतना छोटा इंटीरियर एंगल होगा और उतना बड़ा एक्सटीरियर एंगल होगा। जितनी ज़्यादा साइड्स होगी उतना बड़ा इंटीरियर एंगल होगा और उतना छोटा एक्सटीरियर एंगल होगा। यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट पैटर्न। ओके, व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ अ पॉलीगॉन इफ इट हैज n साइड्स? ये तो ओरली बता सकते हो यार, कम ऑन, बहुत बार ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया हमने। हु कैन टेल मी ओरली?
So 5.
No, 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 no. What they are asking, the sum of all interior angles of polygon having n side. Formula है ये. What is the sum of all interior angles of a polygon who is having? Yes, yes, Rashi, please tell me. Unmute and tell me.
2n minus 4 right angle.
Very good. 2n minus 4 times 90. लिखो सब लोग. The sum of all interior angles of polygon of n side is equal to 2n minus 4 times 90.
Sir, can you repeat?
What?
Can you repeat?
I cannot repeat. You don't remember the formula?
अच्छा, formula.
Yeah, so n sides है ना. Sum of all interior angle का formula लिखना है हमें. 2n minus 4 times multiplied by 90. What about the second one? Who can solve the second one? Sum of all interior angles of a polygon having 7 sides. What you will do? Tell me what you will do before solving.
Sir, 2 multiplied to 7 minus 4 into 9.
Very good. You just put
900.
n is equal to 7. How much you are getting?
So 900 is
Very good. Very good. Because 2 times n is 2 times 7, which is 14 minus 4, which is 10 times 90 is 900. Easy? Was it easy or difficult? Formula based question. Okay, next question. Write the number of diagonals in a quadrilateral. You remember the formula for number of diagonals, guys?
Yes.
N bracket n minus 3 by 2. Was that the formula? लिखा था क्या सबने? n bracket n minus 3 by 2. चेक कर लो एक बार. Number of diagonals. See, everyone knows quadrilateral में कितने diagonal होते हैं. How many diagonals does a quadrilateral have?
2.
Right? लेकिन ये फॉर्मूला से निकालना है. तो फॉर्मूला में n की जगह क्या डालोगे? What you will put in the place of n? Exactly, 4 bracket 4 minus 3 by 2. Please solve it. How much you are getting, I want to know. What is the number of diagonals in a quadrilateral? Come on guys, quickly. Are you getting 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Rashi, are you getting 2? Pentagon. Pentagon number of sides are 5.
Sir, 8.
Are you sure 8?
No, sir, 4.
No, not 4. 5. The correct answer is 5. N bracket n minus 3 by 2. 5 bracket 5 minus 3 by 2. That is 5. Can anyone do the last one? Number of diagonals in a polygon of 10 sides. N bracket n minus 3 by 2. 10 bracket 10 minus 3 by 2.
Sir, 35.
Are you sure? I am not sure. I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
35. Correct. 35. Okay. Last question. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle is 45 degree. Do you know any formula relating number of sides, exterior angle and sum of all exterior angle? एक फॉर्मूला है नंबर ऑफ साइड्स और एक्सटीरियर एंगल का रिलेशन है ये. कैन एनीवन टेल मी द फॉर्मूला? भूल गए तुम लोग? यस यस शुभ.
So 360 by n.
इज इक्वल टू exterior angle, right? Exterior angle is equal to 360 by n. So exterior angle is 45 degrees. 360 by n is equal to 45 degrees. 360 by n is equal to 45. तनुष ने कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है. लिखना, लिख अभी लिख, ये वाला लिख, ये वाला. इसमें कुछ नहीं लिखा है. ये वाले क्वेश्चन में आंसर भी आ जाना चाहिए अभी तक. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स इज इक्वल टू 360 by 45.
So 8.
Very good.
Right.
Very good.
Sir, 8.
Yes, it is correct. The number of sides is 8. ठीक है? Okay. Done very well यार. बहुत अच्छे. एक क्वेश्चन और बचा है. But that's easy one. Oh no, एक नहीं, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बचे हैं. But that's okay. I think मैं यहाँ पे होमवर्क देने के लिए तो रेडी हूँ तुम लोग को. So you see this exercise 14A in front of you, that is your homework. बहुत easy है. अभी जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं, similar kind of questions are there here in this exercise. And I'm again going to do a doubt solving session with you in the next lecture. But according to me, polygons के बारे में जितने भी टाइप के questions we could face, we have done them. ठीक है? Let me stop this.